In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Wrike. Custom fields are an incredibly useful feature that allows you to tailor your workflow in Wrike to better fit your team's unique needs. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or overseeing a complex project, custom fields provide the flexibility to track the data and information most crucial to your success. To begin, open your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar and click on Personal. This area is your go-to space for managing all your personal tasks and projects. Now keep your eye on the sidebar. You're looking for a section where you can easily manage your projects. Go ahead and click on Highlight. This action will lead you to a view where you can more closely monitor those projects you're currently working on. You'll want to change the way your projects are laid out, so next click on the option that lets you see your work in a spreadsheet format. This view mimics the layout of an Excel spreadsheet, which can be quite handy if you prefer working with rows and columns. Spreadsheets are ideal for tracking detailed information and activities, offering a clear layout. Look for an area where you can type in specific details. When you locate it, type in Highlight. This will bring attention to the various sections where you can add or manage fields. Follow up by typing in Highlight in any subsequent areas that allow you to input text, ensuring consistency in your entries. After you've carefully typed in the necessary information, there's a Create button you should see. Click on that to initiate the creation of your new custom field. At this point, you should be able to see your field reflected in the current view. Clicking on Highlight might be necessary again if prompted, so the interface recognizes and registers any custom inputs. If your window currently shows nothing to show here, do not worry. This commonly indicates there are no entries yet. From this clear slate, proceed by selecting Highlight again, followed by clicking on Custom Field to begin defining the specifics of your new field. It's time to type in your designated field name under Highlight. As you do so, the page begins to explain itself. This part of the process is crucial, as the custom field needs a precise definition to function as you intend. Once you've entered all necessary details, your custom field should be successfully created and ready for use. With these straightforward steps, you've now enhanced your Wrike workspace by tailoring it with powerful custom fields. These fields will aid in organizing and tracking information specific to your projects, helping ensure your team's processes run smoothly and efficiently.